Hi, everyone. I'm JR Gould. We live in a time of both rising awareness and tension. The pandemic and political climate have not only shaken our systems, but also exposed the default lines of race, equity, and mental health. For Asian American communities, these past few years have been especially complex, with a surge of anti Asian hate, growing mental health challenges, and at the same time, a new wave of cultural visibility. I'll be honest, like many Asian Americans, I have felt the weight of model minority myth. It is a narrative that tells only one selected story of success while ignoring our struggles and silencing our diversity. I remember the times when I feel I had to hide my challenges to just justify so I can fit the mold. This pressure erodes our well being, keeps us from showing up. That's why I created this workshop, Celebrating Asian Heritage. Together, we will unpack the real impact of the model minority myth, learn how to challenge it, and celebrate the full spectrum of Asian American experiences. Whether you identify as Asian American or as an ally, you will walk away with a deeper understanding of our community, tools to support us and each other, and inspiration to build cultures where belongings goes hand in hand. So I invite you, please join me in this important human conversation. Thank you.